Welcome to the $25 Investor, the channel where small, consistent investments can turn into life-changing wealth over time. Today we are going to talk about a powerful idea that most people underestimate, how just $25 a week can build serious financial strength when paired with the right company. Think about it. $25 is what many people spend on a single meal, a quick shopping trip, or even a few cups of coffee. It does not feel like much. But when you redirect that same amount into a high-quality business like O'Reilly Automotive, something incredible begins to happen. You are no longer just spending money, you are planting seeds. On this channel, we focus on consistency, patience, and discipline, not chasing hype, not gambling, but building real wealth step by step. The goal is simple, to show that you do not need thousands of dollars to start investing. You just need a plan, a strategy, and the willingness to stick with it. In this video, we are going to break down exactly how investing just $25 per week into O'Reilly Automotive can grow over time. We will walk through real data, long-term growth rates, and show you how small contributions can compound into something massive. If you have ever thought, I do not have enough money to invest, this video is going to change your mindset. Because the truth is, it is not about how much you start with, it is about how long you stay consistent. Now that we understand the mindset behind small, consistent investing, let's move into how this actually works in practice. Imagine starting your investment journey with just $25 per week. That is it. No complicated strategies, no large upfront capital, just a simple and repeatable habit. Every week, you invest into a strong, proven company like O'Reilly Automotive. What makes this approach powerful is not the amount, it is the consistency. When you invest the same amount every single week, you benefit from dollar cost averaging. That means you are buying shares whether the price is high or low, smoothing out your overall cost over time. With O'Reilly Automotive, this strategy becomes even more interesting. This is not a speculative company. This is a business with a long track record of performance, stability, and growth. By consistently investing into a company like this, you are essentially partnering with a business that has already proven it knows how to grow. Over time, your weekly contributions begin to stack. 1 week becomes 1 month. 1 month becomes 1 year. And before you realize it, you have built a meaningful position, all from small, steady investments. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building wealth the right way, slowly, consistently, and intelligently. Now that you understand the strategy, let's take a closer look at the company behind this opportunity. O'Reilly Automotive is one of the leading auto parts retailers in the United States. The company operates thousands of stores and provides parts, tools, and accessories for both professional mechanics and everyday drivers. What makes O'Reilly Automotive special is its business model. Cars are not going away anytime soon. In fact, as vehicles age, they require more maintenance and repairs. That creates consistent demand for replacement parts, which is exactly where O'Reilly Automotive thrives. Unlike trend-driven companies, O'Reilly Automotive benefits from long-term, steady demand. Whether the economy is booming or slowing down, people still need to fix their cars. This creates a level of resilience that many companies simply do not have. Another key strength is its operational efficiency. O'Reilly Automotive has built a strong distribution network, allowing it to deliver parts quickly and reliably. This gives it a competitive advantage over smaller players. From an investor perspective, O'Reilly Automotive has also shown strong historical growth. It has consistently increased its revenue, expanded its store footprint, and improved profitability over time. So why should you consider investing in O'Reilly Automotive? Because it represents a combination of stability and growth. It is not flashy, but it is reliable. And in long-term investing, reliability often wins. Now that we understand the company, let's compare its performance to the broader market so you can see how it stacks up. When evaluating any investment, it is important to compare it to the broader market, such as the S&P 500, often tracked by SPDR/S&P 500 ETF Trust. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 delivered a growth rate of 19.63%, while O'Reilly Automotive delivered 13.05%. In the short term, the market slightly outperformed. However, over 5 years, the S&P 500 shows 11.13% growth, while O'Reilly Automotive delivered 20.33%, significantly outperforming. Looking at 10 years, the S&P 500 averages 13.2%, while O'Reilly Automotive delivers 18.3%. This long-term outperformance is where O'Reilly Automotive stands out. Now that we have compared performance, it is important to understand the risks involved before moving forward. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. With that in mind, let's take a deeper look at O'Reilly Automotive's growth profile. Over the past 3 years, O'Reilly Automotive has achieved a growth rate of 13.05%. Over 5 years, that number increases to 20.33%. Over 10 years, O'Reilly Automotive has delivered 18.3%. These numbers highlight a consistent and strong growth pattern, exactly what long-term investors are looking for. Now that we understand the growth, let's break down how your actual contributions add up over time. If you invest $25 per week, after 1 year you will have invested $1,300. After 5 years, $6,500. After 10 years, $13,000. After 15 years, $19,500. After 20 years, $26,000. After 25 years, $32,500. After 30 years, $39,000. Now here is where things get exciting. Let's look at how that money can grow. With a $25 weekly investment, after 5 years, your $6,500 grows to $9,787. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to $38,087. After 15 years, $19,500 grows to $111,943. After 20 years, $26,000 grows to $365,915. After 25 years, $32,500 grows to $840,583. After 30 years, $39,000 grows to $2,121,364. Now let's increase the pace and see what happens when you invest more. If you invest $50 per week into O'Reilly Automotive, your yearly contribution becomes $2,600. After 5 years, $13,000 grows to $19,574. After 10 years, $26,000 grows to $76,174. After 15 years, $39,000 grows to $223,887. After 20 years, $52,000 grows to $731,831. After 25 years, $65,000 grows to $1,681,167. After 30 years, $78,000 grows to $4,242,729. Now let's double it again. If you invest $100 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $5,200. After 5 years, $26,000 grows to $39,148. After 10 years, $52,000 grows to $152,348. After 15 years, $78,000 grows to $447,775. After 20 years, $104,000 grows to $1,463,662. After 25 years, $130,000 grows to $3,362,335. After 30 years, $156,000 grows to $8,485,459. Now let's take it even further. At $150 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $7,800. After 5 years, $39,000 grows to $58,723. After 10 years, $78,000 grows to $228,522. After 15 years, $117,000 grows to $671,663. After 20 years, $156,000 grows to $2,195,494. After 25 years, $195,000 grows to $5,043,502. After 30 years, $234,000 grows to $12,728,189. Next, at $200 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $10,400. After 5 years, $52,000 grows to $78,297. After 10 years, $104,000 grows to $304,697. After 15 years, $156,000 grows to $895,551. After 20 years, $208,000 grows to $2,927,325. After 25 years, $260,000 grows to $6,724,670. After 30 years, $312,000 grows to $16,970,918. Now let's push even higher. At $250 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $13,000. After 5 years, $65,000 grows to $97,871. After 10 years, $130,000 grows to $380,871. After 15 years, $195,000 grows to $1,119,439. After 20 years, $260,000 grows to $3,659,157. After 25 years, $325,000 grows to $8,405,837. After 30 years, $390,000 grows to $21,213,648. Finally, at $300 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $15,600. After 5 years, $78,000 grows to $117,446. After 10 years, $160,000 grows to $457,045. After 15 years, $234,000 grows to $1,343,327. After 20 years, $312,000 grows to $4,390,988. After 25 years, $390,000 grows to $10,087,005. After 30 years, $46,000 grows to $25,465,378. So what is the takeaway from all of this? You can start with just $25 a week. That small step, repeated consistently, has the potential to turn into something life-changing over time. And if you increase your investment to $50, $100, $200, $250, or even $300 per week, the results accelerate dramatically. In the next video, we will explore companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Amazon, and Alphabet, comparing which one can help you build wealth faster with the same strategy. Make sure to comment below which stock you want me to cover next. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe so you do not miss future content. Thank you for watching.